Distraction, 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 distraction. No. Happy April 3rd. We need to focus really aggressively on only 3 things just over the next quarter. If I could wave a magic wand and I could just grab you by the shoulders, I would say to you, number 1, how much profit do you want? I don't care what your volume is. I don't care how many transactions close. I care about how much money you have set aside after taxes at the end of this quarter. My second thing I'm going to ask you is to focus on how much attention can you get in email marketing, in your direct mail, in open houses, in every facet of your marketing, your way to get attention so people recognize you and say, she is talking about getting my home on the market, or he is telling me now is the right time or the wrong time. Whatever the message is, we need more attention in the second quarter as we enter the spring market. And the third one is, I would literally get on my knees and say, please set a bold goal for the number of appointments you're going to go on in the second quarter. How many listing opportunities are you going to schedule? How many first-time buyer? I don't mean first-time buying a house. I mean first-time meeting with a buyer consultations will you set up? You and I know above and beyond everything else in this business, we need to focus on how much money we're actually going to have in our pockets at the end of the quarter. Number 2, we've got to get more attention. We got to get more people to say, there he is, there she is. That's the agent I want to talk to, even though I know 15 others. And then the single most important leading indicator of a successful business is you wake up in the morning, how many appointments do you have in your calendar? You do those 3 things in the second quarter, and I promise you, you will have an unbelievable first half of the year. Get to work.